Look at that. Did you know that 25% of Americans skip breakfast every day? Most people say it's because they're in too much of a hurry, or they think healthy options take too long and taste like cardboard. Gross. What if I told you they don't have to? Join me as I take on the challenge to create 5 mouth-watering breakfast ideas that will seriously kickstart your day. If you like watching my videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Breakfast is often hailed as the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. It's the fuel that sets the tone for a productive, energized morning. A well-crafted breakfast can boost your metabolism, provide lasting energy, and even help with focus and concentration. Make sure you stick around because the 4th one might sound a little unexpected, but it seriously tastes like something off of a diner menu. Mornings can be chaotic. Between getting ready for work, packing lunches, getting the kids out the door, it's a miracle we even have time to breathe, let alone cook. It's easy to fall into the trap of grabbing a quick processed breakfast or skipping it altogether. But here's the thing, skipping breakfast can actually add stress to your day. It messes with your energy, your focus, and let's be honest, we've all reached out for a sugary cereal or flaky pastry just to survive the morning rush. Guess I'll just eat this. We've all been there, rummaging for anything to eat, and while those quick options taste good in the moment, they often leave us feeling tired or guilty later. But what if I told you that creating a delicious and healthy breakfast doesn't have to be complicated or take more than 10 minutes? Let's start with a classic, overnight oats with chia. Just add some Greek yogurt, chia seeds, old-fashioned rolled oats, almond milk, a little bit of vanilla, and a drizzle of honey. Refrigerate overnight, and by morning, you got a fiber-packed, creamy breakfast ready to go. Add a little bit of cinnamon, berries, nuts, a little more fruit, whatever you like. Next up, avocado egg toast with a little flavor upgrade. Mash avocado onto toasted whole grain bread. Season with a little salt and pepper and a sprinkling of furikake. Add a sunny side up egg and sprinkle with more furikake for a salty umami punch. It's hearty, savory, it takes less than 10 minutes. Craving something sweet? Try a Greek yogurt fruit bowl. Layer Greek yogurt, a drizzle of honey, fresh blueberries, crunchy granola. It's loaded with protein and probiotics, and it tastes like dessert. If you love to meal prep, these egg and cottage cheese muffins are for you. They're high protein, veggie packed, and easy to grab and go. Just bake a batch at the start of the week and you're all set. In this one, we're gonna saute some mushrooms, shallots, pepper, spinach, 6 large eggs, 1 cup cottage cheese, sauteed vegetables, half a cup chopped green onions, about a half a teaspoon salt, pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour, and a half a teaspoon baking powder. Let's mix that in thoroughly. Half a cup 4 cheese blend. Let's mix that up. Let's put it into our cupcake tin, and let's get that in the oven. Last but not least, the fruit protein smoothie. It's creamy, fruity, and full of protein, fiber, and greens, without tasting like it. Blend it up and you're out the door in 2 minutes flat. Let's add half a cup Greek yogurt, 3/4 cup almond milk, 1 scoop protein powder, 1 tablespoon almond butter, 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed, 1½ cups frozen blueberries, and 1 cup spinach. Now let's get that all blended up. Pour it into your favorite glass and enjoy. Time to taste. First up is the overnight oats. It's a feast for the eyes, first of all. Here we go. It's like a really good vanilla pudding mixed with a little tapioca. And then with the cinnamon, it almost goes to like a horchata. And then with just the fruit and the nuts and the honey, I could really get into this. Next up is avocado egg toast. All right, here we go. We can cut into it. Look at this. See that egg yolk? You know what? I'm just gonna grab it like this. Take a bite. Avocado gives it that rich, kind of buttery texture. And then the furikake seasoning's perfect, salt and pepper. And then the egg, the crunchiness of the edge, the egginess of the yolk. And I've got an extra toast here. That's a keeper. The furikake though, it just gives it so much flavor. And the Japanese ground chilies, just the right amount of heat. Yeah, that's a good one. Next up, yogurt fruit bowl. I have this one a lot. It's easy, it's fast, and it tastes like dessert. Just a hint of sweet with the honey drizzle and the blueberries, and then the crunch from the granola. Yes, and finish what's in my mouth first. Next up, egg and cottage cheese muffin. Let's cut that in half. As you can see, how lovely it is. Cottage cheese and the chunks of the different mushroom and bell pepper and the green onion. All those veggies help keep it really moist. Egg muffins. This tastes like a loaded veggie omelet, but it's portable, and you make it ahead, and then you can heat it up throughout the week, so you get your protein, you get some amazing flavor. I mean, come on. Last but not least, the fruit protein smoothie. Let's try it out. The flavor is amazing. It's like the tartness from the Greek yogurt. You got the flavor of the blueberries. The almond butter hits you a little bit. You don't really taste the spinach, but you know it's giving you all those nutrients that spinach has. This tastes like a blueberry milkshake. You wouldn't even know that the spinach is in there. That's good stuff. Okay, let's wrap this up. You got places to go, you know? You gotta get out the door and get to work. Number 1, overnight oats with chia. Make ahead, grab and go. Number 2, avocado egg toast. Full of healthy fats and flavor. Number 3, yogurt fruit bowl. Creamy, crunchy, and naturally sweet. Number 4, egg and cottage cheese muffins. High protein and meal prep friendly. Number 5, fruit protein smoothie. Fast filling and totally customizable. Whether you're a sweet or a savory breakfast person, there's something here for you. These recipes are fast, easy, and healthy. Most importantly, they actually taste good. Okay, thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. If you give any of these recipes a try, let me know in the comments. And if you're looking for more inspiration, check out one of my other videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next. I'm just gonna have one more bite. I'm gonna start with the avocado toast. All right, I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.